Here we have our digital multimeter. These are all the wires going there, and this is the LCD that we have interfaced with it. It shows various options to select, various modes like resistance, voltmeter, PWM, R2R, and we also have a continuity test in it. Let's get started with the demo. This is the D1 mode, that is as you can see, it is a ohm meter mode. It's showing the resistance of this potentiometer right now, and as you vary the potentiometer, you can see the change in resistance. There it goes. I think this is the lowest limit. Next mode is the voltmeter mode, and let's see, we have another potentiometer on board, and you can change the potentiometer to change the value of the voltage. As you can see, the output voltage changes. Pretty sensitive. Next mode is the voltage mode in R2R ladder, using an R2R ladder. This is our R2R ladder. This is a 4-bit ladder, and here we have like increase and decrease buttons. So you can control your output voltage. So as you can see, the voltage is varying when it is increased or decreased. And the next mode that we have is a voltmeter in PWM. This is like a PWM output that you are getting from the chip, and as you can see, this is blinking according to the PWM. And here on the PWM, you can vary the width of the PWM. As you can see, it is increasing and decreasing in accordance with the buttons. And this, we are back to the home screen, which again lets you select whichever mode you want. And the last thing is the continuity check. As you can see, a brilliant display which is showing a continuity. So it is a very easy way to check, and with a nice display. That's it for the demo of digital multimeter. Here we have our teammates Priyanshu Agarwal, Ravi Kiran Cholangi, and me, Dipendave, signing off. See ya.